In this video, we are going to see how you can make the payment against purchase invoices in QuickBooks. So let's get started. But before that, if you want to follow the complete training, you can check out the playlist link in the description. And without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. Next transaction is of 18 January 2018 and transaction is paid Mr. Ali by check of Standard Chartered Bank and amount is 30,000. Now if you notice that January 2018, the same date packing charges invoice was received from Mr. Ali, the same day we are making the payment of it. Then why we booked the purchase invoice? As I told you that purchase invoice is for the vendors from whom we are purchasing on credit. But this is sort of credit because total amount was 45,000 and we are paying 30,000. So 15,000 will still be pending. So that's why. And one other reason of that could be if you are purchasing from a vendor from whom you regularly purchase items, then whether you pay by cash or whether you pay in credit, in either cases, because there are frequent transactions from that vendor, in that cases you have to create the vendor. So there could be two reasons for that. Anyways, to make the payment, I'll go to QuickBooks. In the vendor section, pay bills, and here we can see Ali invoice is of 45,000. Now as I click here, it will consider that I'm paying the full amount of 45,000, but I'll change this to 30,000 and payment method is by check and account is by Standard Chartered Bank, and we will pay the selected bill. It will show the payment summary. Done. To check the journal entry of it, you cannot go to pay bills. You will go to vendor section, select Ali, and as I click the vendor, I can't see any of the transactions here. That's because I need to change this fiscal year to all. Now I can see 30,000 is the payment. Double click on that. Now you will notice that this layout is little bit different from where we make the payment. This is because it is showing it in write checks option. So that's not a problem for us. We will just check the reports and transaction journal. Standard Chartered is credit and accounts payable is debit. Means liability is reduced, so it is debit, and we are paying it by Standard Chartered Bank, so it is credit. This is how we can make the payments of the bills.